Hi everyone, welcome to Pharmachem tutorials. In this video, I will explain about sulfonation of benzene as well as why sulfonation is an reversible reaction. So benzene undergoes electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. So one of the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions of benzene is nothing but a sulfonation. So what is meant by sulfonation is benzene undergoes sulfonation and forms benzene sulfonic acid. So this is the reaction. Benzene reacts with sulfuric acid and finally it forms benzene sulfonic acid. So this is a reversible reaction. The sulfonation is a reversible reaction in which benzene reacts with two sort of reagents. One is either concentrated sulfuric acid at 120 degrees centigrade for several hours. After reaction, it gives benzene sulfonic acid. Otherwise, take the benzene and add it with fuming sulfuric acid at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes to give benzene sulfonic acid. So, two methods were followed. Benzene reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid or with fuming sulfuric acid at respective temperatures gives benzene sulfonic acid. So, what is fuming sulfuric acid is? It is a concentrated sulfuric acid only along with some amount of sulfur trioxide. We can name it as fuming sulfuric acid. So here I am explaining the with concentrated sulfuric acid. So this is the reaction. Benzene reacts with concentrated sulfuric acid, two molecules, and gives benzene sulfonic acid with the liberation of water. And coming to the mechanism, as we are already discussed in the previous videos, all the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions involves 3 steps. But in case of sulfonation, along with the 3 steps, one added step is there, that is addition of proton. So sulfonation involves totally 4 steps. And coming to the first step, formation of an electrophile. So in this formation of electrophile, two molecules of sulfuric acid undergoes dissociation and one molecule is generally converted into sulfur trioxide with the formation of water, and another sulfuric acid molecule donates H plus and converts into HSO4 minus. That H plus from that H2SO4 taken up by water, which is liberated from one molecule of sulfuric acid and converted into H3O plus. So here the sulfur trioxide is acts as an electrophile. It will attack in the next step. And second step is attack of electrophile on aromatic ring. So sulfur trioxide we can write like this: S double bond O double bond O double bond O. Here it consisting of pi bond between sulfur and oxygen. The pi bond want to shift towards oxygen because of more electronegativity renders this oxygen negative and this sulfur positive. Because of the availability of positive sulfur, the pi bond from the benzene system, one pi bond, it want to shift towards an sulfur and finally it forms a bond. Wherever this electrophile we are attaching, that corner carbon must possess an hydrogen, and because of the shift of this double bond, this carbon will attach an positivity. This is, we can name it as carbonium ion. And next step is loss of proton. Here, to stabilize the positivity as well as to regain the aromaticity of this benzene, the bond between carbon and hydrogen is shift between carbon and carbon, and the lost proton is taken up by HSO4, which is released from the first step and converted into benzene SO3 minus with the formation of sulfuric acid. And last and final step is addition step. When compared with remaining electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions is addition of proton gives benzene sulfonic acid. This is the benzene with SO3 minus. It takes an proton from H3O plus and finally it gives benzene sulfonic acid with the liberation of water. These are the 4 important steps involved in the formation of benzene sulfonic acid from benzene with the help of concentrated sulfuric acid at 120 degrees centigrade. So, among all the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, sulfonation is a reversible reaction. Why the sulfonation of benzene is reversible is, here by observing the reaction, the benzene sulfonic acid and water is liberated in the last step. Whatever the SO3, it combines with the water which is liberated in the last step. SO3 and water combines and releases an sulfuric acid with the formation of an benzene. So to make this reaction as non-reversible one, always remove the water which is formed during the reaction. The removal of water makes this reaction as non-reversible one. So in this, sulfur trioxide of benzene sulfonic acid readily reacts with water to produce sulfuric acid and heat. Therefore, by adding heat to benzene sulfonic acid in dilute aqueous sulfuric acid, the reaction is reversed. This is the major reason for sulfonation is an reversible reaction. Thank you one and all.